Welcome to my channel, Ana Lana. Today I'm going to show you how to make this practical bath mat, and here I am leaving you the materials. Of course, you better use cotton because absorbs the water, and I use less than the materials that I am having here, less than 400 grams. And anyway, use a crochet hook that is smaller than what the yarn recommends. That way it's going to be more rigid and perfect to be on the floor. And this is a very easy stitch, and again we are going to use a smaller crochet hook just to obtain this kind of texture. Remember to subscribe and to give me a like. So here I have an older project that in which I was making like a jacket, but it was not coming out good. So this is 100% cotton, and I decided to unravel it and use it for this project. Let's make 100 chains. I'm going just to make a small sample to show you the stitch, and I'm leaving a video in the description box. This pattern is a multiple of 2, so it's going to be by pairs. Once you finish 100 chains, make one more chain to go up, and you have the string. This side is flat. I like to start with the wrong side, but in the very first space, just pull the yarn and slip stitch. Then yarn over, and in the second space make a double crochet. Let's repeat. One space, slip stitch, yarn over, and make a double crochet. And we'll continue like that. Slip stitch and double crochet. We are almost at the end of the row, and I'm going to be making my last double crochet, because remember we started with a slip stitch and then a double crochet, so the last stitch will be a double crochet. Now chain 1, and we remember this is double crochet at the bottom. Turn the work, and in the very first one we will do a slip stitch. And now we are going to put a marker in this first slip stitch so we don't forget where the point is. Just remember, we are going to continue always and starting always with the slip stitch and continuing with the double crochet. And this is going to be even numbers. And in case you need a better explanation, I'm leaving down here in the description box a short video showing how to make this stitch. So now this is the end of row number 2. So I'm making my last slip stitch, and here is the marker, and I'm going to be making here a double crochet. Always my last stitch will be a double crochet. So let me remove the marker. I'm going to chain 1, turn the work, and my very first stitch will be a slip stitch, and again I'm going to put the marker back, and remember this is going to be multiple of 2. It goes by pairs, so we always start with the slip stitch and end with the double crochet. Okay, so I think I have enough 33 centimeters, 13 inches. So I'm going just to finish up with this row and making my last double crochet. And then I just want to join another color. Okay, so now I have here another color. It's the same material, 100% cotton. So I'm going to join the string. I have the last loop of the white and I just pass it through. So now I'm going to yarn over and on the same space, I'm going to pull the yarn, and this last loop, I'm just going to pass it through. So let me just show you again. Yarn over, and on the next space, I'm going to pull the yarn. So now I will have 3 loops, but the last loop, I will pass it through. Yarn over, and in the next space, pull the yarn, and that loop, just pass it through the other 2. And you see, it's coming up very nice. Okay, I just did my last stitch and got to the corner. Now chain 1 and yarn over, and again pull the yarn and pull the 3rd loop through. And continue like that, right? So now we just form the corner and yarn over, and on the next space, I'm going to pull the yarn and pull through. And I'm going to continue making this kind of cord until I get to the other corner. Okay, so I'm finally in the last corner. I'm going just to chain 1 and attach it to the next side with slip stitch. So now I have the white yarn behind, and I'm just going to continue with white. So now I'm going to yarn over, and on the loop behind, I'm going just to pull the yarn and do a half double crochet. So yarn over, take the loop behind and half double crochet, and we are going to continue doing half double crochets all the way. Okay, so I'm getting here to the corner, and I'm going just to make a half double crochet, then 1 chain to form the corner, and in the next space another half double crochet. So with the chain we form the corner very easily, and we are going to continue with the same pattern, always taking the loop outside and then continue with half double crochets. Okay, so I already finished the 4 sides, and now I am at the end. So I am just taking the 2 last loops, and we are going to connect the blue yarn, which I didn't cut before, so I'm going just to make another row. So we are going to continue making the same stitch. Okay, let me repeat. Yarn over, and on the next space pull the yarn and pull through. Yarn over, pull the yarn and pull through, and continue doing this on the 4 sides. Okay, now I am at the end. I just finished the 4 sides, and I am going to chain 1, and I'm going just to join it to with the other side with the using slip stitch. Okay, so now I'm going to continue with the white yarn, and this is here at the back. I'm just going to pass it through. Now I pass it through the loop of the blue, and we are done with the blue. You can cut it if you want right now. Now chain 2, and on the next space a double crochet. Now we are at the corner, So in order to give a space, we are going to chain one. And now I'm just going to make a double crochet in the next space and continue making double crochets. Just to show you at the corner, I'm going to chain one, then yarn over, and I'll make a double crochet on the next space. So on each corner we are going to chain one and continue making double crochets on each space. Okay, so now we are at the end of the row and we are going to just make our last double crochet, and now we are going to make a slip stitch just to join it with the beginning of the row. Now we are going to chain three, and after this we are going to do yarn over and then put the hook behind the post below, and we are going to make a front post double crochet, and then we pass it on the contrary, and we will be making a back post double crochet. And we are going to repeat this pattern through the whole row. I'm here at the corner, so I'm going to be making my last back post double crochet. And now we have here the space, and we are going to be making here 2 double crochets in the corner. And I'm going to continue with the front post double crochets and back post double crochets, and we continue like that until the next corner, and then we will be making 2 double crochets in the space of the corner. So remember, in all corners we are going to make 2 double crochets. So here we are getting to the last corner, and I'm making my last back post double crochet, and now on the space I'm going to make 1 double crochet, and I'm going to join it here with the 3 chains that are actually a double crochet. You see, that's the way we close it. However, I want to make 1 more row, so to continue with the pattern I'm going to chain 3, yarn over, and in the next post I'm going to be making a, this was a front post double crochet, now I'm making a back post double crochet, and now I'm making a front post double crochet, you see, and now the next one was a front post, now I'm making a back post, and this one was a back post, now I'm making a front post, so I'm making the opposite. And now this is the last one, and I'm going to make a double crochet on the corner space. Now just to join the beginning with the end, I'm going to make a slip stitch, and this is it for me, and I'm just going to finish it here, but if you want a wider border, go ahead and make another row. You see, we have a beautiful rectangle of 17 by 28 inches, so I really hope that with this tutorial, you are going to be able to make a beautiful mat or a rug. And remember to give me a like and remember to subscribe. That way you will get notifications of my next videos. Okay, my dear friends, I really hope to see you very soon in my channel, Ana Lana. Thank you.